Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a high protein, healthy and nutrient dense khichdi which is perfect to include in your weight loss journey, especially if you have health issues like thyroid, PCOS or diabetes. This high protein khichdi can be enjoyed as a healthy meal for dinner or for lunch. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. Black rice does take longer time to cook than white rice. So to cut down on cooking time, soak it overnight or much before you start cooking. So I have already soaked 1/4 cup of black rice overnight. Next I'm measuring in some dals. So this is horsegram and I'm just adding in 1 tablespoon of horsegram into my measuring cup. Horsegram is also known as modira in Malayalam. Horsegram is one of the best source of plant-based protein. Now apart from protein, it's a good source of minerals such as calcium, iron and zinc. Horsegram helps to burn fat, prevent kidney stones and it protects against gout and uric acid. Horsegram is also known as the super pulse of India. It helps to lower cholesterol, converts fat to energy, helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time because of its high protein and fiber. 2 tablespoon tur dal and 2 tablespoon masoor dal. So there's 3 types of dal in this recipe. Now I'm going to add this into a small bowl and add in some water and let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, it's about 15 minutes now and both the black rice and the dals are nicely soaked. So I'm going to wash and rinse it a couple of times and then I'm going to keep it on a strainer. Okay, now the rice and dal are rinsed thoroughly and I've kept it on a strainer. Now to make it more nutrient dense, I'm adding in some vegetables. So this is 1 medium sized carrot which I finely chopped, 3 green chillies slit. You can increase or decrease green chilli to suit your taste. A small piece of ginger which I have finely chopped. 1 tomato finely chopped and about 4 to 5 shallots. This I'll be finely chopping it. Now the reason why I prefer to use shallots in my recipes is that it is rich in antioxidants, iron and folic acid. Now if you don't have shallots at hand, you can always use half of an onion. Now to make the khichdi, I'm heating my pressure cooker with about 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil. Virgin coconut oil is actually made from coconut milk and the lauric acid in virgin coconut oil helps to balance hormones. So it's ideal to include virgin coconut oil in your diet, especially if you have hormonal imbalances like PCOS and thyroid. So once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, also known as jeera. And once the jeera starts to splutter, I'm adding in the chopped shallots. Give it a stir. Add in the slit green chilies, the chopped ginger and let it saute on low flame for about a minute. The buying link of the virgin coconut oil which I am using in this recipe will be updated in the description box below. Once the shallots turns transparent, I am adding in the chopped tomato, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder. Now just give this a mix and allow the spices to saute on low flame so that the raw flavor of the spices are diminished. Into this I'm adding in half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Black pepper helps to absorb turmeric faster into your body. So always try to use at least a pinch of black pepper when you are using turmeric powder. And just give this a stir. Into this I'm adding in a sprig of fresh curry leaves. Now the reason why I always use curry leaves in my recipes is that they're a good source of iron, vitamin A, B, C and B2. Curry leaves promotes healthy hair growth and gives a glowing skin. Studies have shown that curry leaves has been found to reduce blood sugar levels and hence ideal for those with diabetes. Always try to use garden fresh organic curry leaves. Again give this a mix. Add in the chopped carrot. Now instead of carrot you can use any seasonal vegetable of your choice. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed and give this a mix. Add in the soaked and strained rice and dals. Measure 2 cups of water. Lastly, I am adding in 1/4 teaspoon of hing, also known as kayam. Give this a mix. Now, for those of you who don't prefer the taste of virgin coconut oil, you can always use desi ghee. Okay, now I'm going to close the cooker. Put on the weight. After the first whistle, reduce the flame to the lowest and pressure cook on low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now remember that black rice takes a slightly longer time to cook than ordinary rice. Soaking black rice overnight will also help to cook it faster. The ingredients list and more information will be updated in the description box below, so please do check it out. So once the pressure has depressurized by itself, let's open the cooker. And the khichdi is ready to serve. Please note that the black rice does takes longer time to cook. Transfer the khichdi to a serving bowl. So in the olden days, this rice was specially reserved for the royals. Black rice is rich in anthocyanins, which are the antioxidant pigment that gives the rice its unusual dark purple color. Black rice contains high amounts of antioxidants, dietary fiber, minerals and other anti-inflammatory nutrients. It is the richest source of antioxidant anthocyanin, which is known to be cancer fighting, beneficial for heart health and inflammatory conditions. So guys, do try this healthy high protein khichdi and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.